Isa sa inaabangan ngayon ng mga Pinoy boxing fans na pwedeng mag-world champion, ito ay nagmula sa angkan ng matatapang sa Negros. Ito ay si J.R. The Dreamer Raquinel. May kartadang 17 panalo, 2 talo at 13 dito by knockout, kung saan tinawag siyang The Dreamer dahil pag tinamaan ka ng suntok niya, tiyak na bangungot ang aabutin ng kalaban. Si Raquinel ay pasok siya sa top 5 ng WBC at top 10 ng IBF sa super flyweight division. Ibig sabihin, isang malaking panalo na lang, baka title shot na ang susunod. Ngayong Mayo 25, 2025, haharapin niya ang Indian champion na si Pradesh Ambuchezian. Record ni Pradesh, 8 panalo, 2 talo at 4 na knockouts. Hindi rin basta-basta ito dahil galing sa 2 sunod na panalo. At ang nakataya ay ang Asian Boxing Federation Super Flyweight title. Pero teka, bago kayo kabahan, tingnan muna natin tong si Raquinel. Galing sa 5 sunod-sunod na panalo at ang mas malupit, 4 sa mga yon, puro knockout. At ang pinaka-wild, yung pinatulog niya ang undefeated African champion na si Landy Ngseke.
Champion gets knocked out by Rajes, and the orthodox fighter gets knocked out by both left on the
Sa mismong teritoryo nito sa East London, South Africa. Si Ngseke, may 9 na panalo, 0 talo at 4 na knockouts. Pero nung makaharap si Raquinel, para lang siyang tinumbang poste.
Rajes, and the orthodox fighter gets knocked out by both left on the
Una pa lang ng laban, kita agad. Mas matangkad at mas mahaba ang kalaban. Puro jab kaagad ang pinakawalan. Habang si Raquinel ay pinag-aralan muna kung paano pasukin itong matangkad ng kalaban.
So far, round it is 1 each. Round goes the South African, Mike. The representative. That was not knocked down. The Southpaw versus Orthodox. And the South African much significantly taller than his opponent.
Yeah, and he's never lost. I mean, 10 fights and no losses. It's a good showing.
But one thing that we know, Brian, is that now these Filipinos have come here to fight. And there's Raquinel.
Well, we saw in that last fight, we saw Filipino work.
Well, it's getting the South African, Brian. These are big punches coming from Raquinel. And he's a southpaw. He is definitely hitting Nike.
No, Nicky doesn't like it.
Hitting Nike.
No, Nicky doesn't like it.
And I'm looking at his body, Brian. He looks dry, so he might not maybe be still didn't have a good warm-up. I can hardly see any sweat on his body, the South African. Nike. So maybe he's been caught cold in the first round.
Well, we saw that earlier on as well, Pete, where a young man was...
Raquinel, it's not holding anything back, Brian. This is over 12 rounds. It is for the vacant WBO International Junior Bantamweight, over 12 rounds. And also for Brian, Junior Bantamweight, these guys look too big for Junior Bantamweight.
Yeah, they look pretty big, Pete.
They really look big for the...
It's amazing how big the guys are today in this weight division.
This weight division, yes. Now Nike now starting to come out of his shell now. He was shaken at the beginning of the round.
Well, JR has showed that he's come to fight, there's no doubt about that.
And he's not also waiting to worry about now the rounds, 12 rounds. He says, I don't care 12 rounds or not, I'm going to start very, very fast. And
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa round, sigawan naman ang mga fans ng Ngseke na naghintay sa pagbagsak ng Pinoy.
as Coach make it with. But one thing I can tell you, Brian, this fight here is not going to be the...
Renakile. Whoa, did... Oh! Big right. Oh! Unbelievable stuff!
Isang malupit na suntok mula kay Raquel, bagsak Singsheke, na parang hinampas ng tubo, nakatayo pa ngunit bistadong wala na sa balanse.
Renakile from the Philippines. Is it going to be 2 in a row for the Filipinos?
Sinundan ni Raquel ng sunod-sunod, pero teka, inawat muna ng referee. Kala natin tapos na, pinapahinga lang pala ng refereeing kalbo.
And the referee jumps in.
It's over. Well, the referee's trying to give him a chance, of course.
Dito na tinapos ni Raquel ang paghihirap ng Sheke at inawat na ng referee ang laban.
Unbelievable stuff Japanese London. 2 guys from the Philippines at Tanya and 1 in South. What can you say to that? And you know it's another great thing. Yeah. And it's not that I've done one South African sport. Yes. The Filipinos come here so many times. So many times they humble good guys. Yes. And they lose. Yes. Most of them come up here and lose.
Panalo si Raquel by TKO sa round 2. At boom, nakuha niya ang WBO Intercontinental Super Flyweight title. Kaya ang tanong, mga idol, sa performance na yan, ready na ba si JR Raquel para maging world champion? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at ilagay nyo na rin kung taga saan kayo. Para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy kay Raquel sa laban niya kontra kay Ann Buchejian ngayong May 25, 2025.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.